Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a dupes video. This is my first time doing a dupes video on my channel and I'm super excited because today I'm going to be duping the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette with the Modern Renaissance palette. I mean, when this palette first came out, I was obsessed. Like, I loved it. This was like my everyday palette, and when I saw that Wet n Wild came out of a palette just similar, just exactly like the same shades as the Modern Renaissance, I said I had to do a dupe on my channel because I love the palettes. So today I'm going to be creating this look for you guys today. So if you guys want to see that look, then you definitely have to keep watching. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look using those two palettes, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get started with the dupes video. So like I said in the beginning, I got this Wet n Wild palette from Walgreens and it's only $4.99. I mean, it's an exact dupe to the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. It just has like exactly like the same shade range, which I felt like this is an awesome dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Like, guys, this was my go-to palette when it first came out. I mean, look, I hit pans on like all my favorite colors. So today I'm gonna be doing a look on both of my eyes. One side will be the Anastasia and the other one will be the Wet n Wild, and I will come back at the end and ask you guys, can you guys tell the difference? Because I feel like this palette is such a dupe. So let's get started with this makeup look. Okay guys, so I am back. I finished up the rest of my makeup. I put lashes on, eyeliner, bronzer, highlight, you know, all that Shazam. So all that good stuff. And yeah, so I already put the rest of my face on, bronzer, highlight, blush, my lashes and eyeliner on. And yeah, so this is the look. Can you guys tell the difference? Because I can't. So I loving both of the palettes. I definitely think the Wet n Wild is a dupe for the Anastasia Renaissance palette. I think so. Let me know down below in the comment section if you think so, because I think so. So I'm gonna finish up the lower lash line, and I'm gonna just take the same shades that I had on my eyes. I'm just gonna take them. I'm gonna take burnt orange, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia this is their brush that comes with the palette. So I had a brain fart for a minute. So I'm gonna just apply that under the waterline and just use the same shadows that I used on my lash. On my eyes. So, oh, I was about to use the other one, but yeah, I'm just gonna use this to color. And then for my drugstore side, the Wet n Wild side, I'm gonna be using my Equal Tools one, and I'm just gonna take the same shade. So can you guys tell the difference? Let me know, because I can't. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip color, spray my face, fix my hair, and I'll be right back to give you guys my last opinion on this dupe for the Anastasia Renaissance palette. So I'll be right back. Okay, love, so I am back. I fixed up my hair. Now I'm looking a little bit cute. So yeah, I love the Wet n Wild palette. I mean, I feel like this is a total dupe to this Anastasia palette. If you don't want to spend the 40 something, I think it's like $42 on this palette, I definitely recommend that you go out and get this palette. It's only $4.99. Like, what is $4.99? Like $5 for an awesome palette and an awesome dupe to the Anastasia one. I mean, I am a drugstore junkie. Like, I prefer drugstore makeup over high-end. Don't get me wrong, I love high-end makeup. I mean, I got the Fenty stuff. I mean, I love it, but I tend to go to drugstore makeup more because it's just way more affordable, and I feel like you get about the same thing or about the same quality as high-end. So that's why I love drugstore. Like, that is just my favorite. Drugstore makeup is like my absolute favorite. But I definitely recommend this palette. It's an awesome palette, and this is the Rose in the Air palette, to give you the exact name of this palette. So I love it. I definitely see that it's the same thing. Like, if you guys can tell the difference, please let me know, because hello, like, I feel like you can't even tell the difference between these two palettes. I mean, the right side had the Anastasia and the left side had the Wet n Wild. So let me know, guys, down below if you guys can see a difference. If you can, let me know anyways. Like, I want to know what you guys think of the dupe. I mean, this is my first time doing a dupes video. If you guys enjoy dupe videos, let me know down below, and I'll definitely do more of those videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.